First Minister, we all know that you are making traffic congestion worse in Cardiff rather than tackling it. Thousands of houses are being thrown up right now along Cardiff Road, for example, in the west of the city, where there's only a single carriage road. The metro is at some point in the future. You're also planning on building a motorway when you can make a decision, but that traffic will then end up in local roads. Now, in this region, in the city, especially in the west, along Cardiff Road, traffic jams already go on for miles. Now, there is no metro in place, there is no public transport in place, there's no actual plan when you speak to developers. So my question is, what are constituents meant to do? And what advice do you have to those people stuck for hours and hours and hours in jams? And I would appreciate this time if you could just take just that little bit of care and actually address the question, what are my constituents supposed to do?
Well, I expect, first of all, the issue of development is a matter for Cardiff Council, not for the Welsh Government. Secondly, we do expect councils to put in place plans for sustainable transport and particularly for active travel. And I note the intention of Cardiff Council, for example, to look at 5 cycling superhighways, which I think is an excellent idea for the city. He is right to say that we cannot keep on building houses without there being an active transport plan that supports those developments. We can't rely on the roads in Cardiff forever and a day to take the traffic. But these are matters that have to be addressed in the course of the planning process.
Andrew Davis.
Thank you, Presiding Officer.